Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iMovie for clean audio cleanup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open iMovie on your Mac. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import the video file you want to edit. Navigate to the timeline where your video is displayed. Select the video clip that contains the audio you want to clean up. Click on the audio icon located in the toolbar above the preview window. This will reveal the audio settings for your selected clip. Locate the volume slider and adjust it to find a comfortable level. Next, click on the noise reduction checkbox. Adjust the amount slider to control how much noise reduction you want to apply. Typically, a setting between 60 to 80% works well for most situations. Play back the audio to hear the differences. If necessary, return to the noise reduction settings for further adjustments. You may also want to explore the equalizer options. Select a preset like Voice Enhance to improve dialogue clarity. Adjust the equalizer settings to tailor the sound quality to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the audio, click on the Done button. Play the entire project to ensure the audio edit fits seamlessly. Export your project by clicking on the File menu. Select Share and then choose your preferred export settings. Save your project and you're all set. Your audio is now cleaner and ready for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.